Question 6, a nice question going back to first year, lots of circles there, but quite a lot of marks and quite a lot of work to do in each of these bits here. First 3 marks you should all get though. You've been told that this straight line here is y equals 2x add 1. You're being asked to find out what this line here is. And of course it meets it there at 90 degrees. And so the gradient here is going to be the negative reciprocal of that one, so minus a half. We've been told that the centre here is 7, 5, and it goes through that. And so I'm just going to do a y take away the y number equals gradient x take away the x number. Times by the 2 to bring that up. Multiply through by the minus here. And then drag the letters over to this side. So add the x and add the 10. And we've got the 3 marks there that we wanted. Now the equation for a circle, of course, is x take away the x number squared plus y take away the y number squared equals the radius squared. So why is this worth 4 marks? Well, it's because finding this radius is going to take us a bit of work. We need to find out how far it is from A to P. We don't actually know where P is yet. P is where these 2 lines meet. And the simplest way of doing that is by substituting this line into this one. So if I put the 2x plus 1 where the y is, and now multiply that out, I can see that 5x equals 15, and so x is equal to 5. If x is equal to 5, x shouldn't equal 5, x is equal to 3, sorry. X is equal to 3. And if x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 7. So we've got the point 3, 7. That is this point here. So we're going from 3, 7 to the centre, which is 7, 5. And to do that, you can see we're going 4 along and 2 along. So it's 2 squared, add 4 squared, square rooted. The radius is the square root of 20. And so this value here is the radius squared. And so that's 20. Now for part C, there's lots of ways of doing it, but actually trying to visualize it is probably the easiest one. That here we've got one tangent with a gradient of 2, so the only other place a parallel tangent can cross is here. And I'm going to call that point Q. It's the other side of the diameter of the circle. So actually, I could figure out what it is. Look, there to there's 4. I'm just going to go another 4. There to there's down 2. I'm just going to go down another 2. So it's going through this point here, which is 11, 3. So look, if I've just got y equals 2x plus k, and I put the 3 in there and the 11 in there, then I can see that k has got to be minus 19. And so y equals 2x minus 19 is the equation we want. And I did that incredibly quickly. The alternative ways of doing it are actually going to be with some simultaneous equations, sort of trying to drop this into it. There's other ways of trying to figure that out. Doing a b squared minus 4ac that gives you 2 answers, one answer being k equals 1 and the other answer being k equals 19, but it will take you a long time. So there's my solution to it.